Absolutely. So it's been a bit of a recovery, at least we could say, came in for the Nifty in the second half of the day, managing to close on near the 22,200 levels, up 72 points, up 0.3% on trade. Sensex 2 managed to see a slight bit of a recovery, so broader benchmark indices, slight bit of a recovery that we saw on that front. But what didn't do well today was the mid and small cap. That was quite flattish, nothing exciting that happened in the mid and small cap space. So yes, the broader markets, nothing exciting on that one, quite flattish when you look at the Nifty mid cap as well, of the day's highest point. Small cap, yes, still nonetheless managing to perform as much as we saw in terms of the benchmark indices, but not an outperformance that we've been seeing. Let's pull up some of the names in the Nifty 50 that managed to see strong gains. One is obviously we have Tata Motors, that is the top Nifty 50 gainer today. So yes, that's holding on to strong gains today of around 2 to 3%. While TCS, that's the one that's doing quite well from the IT pack, given that UBS has upgraded TCS to a buy from a previous neutral rating, upgraded the target price that we saw coming in, and TCS managing to close near almost the day's highest point as well. Let's also see IndusInd Bank, that managed to see strong gains, as well as Sun Pharma in the Nifty 50, which managed to hold on to decent gains. What didn't do well today was Bajaj Finance, SBI, as well as DV's Labs, all of them sulking in trade. So Bajaj Finance, SBI and DV's Lab, nothing interesting on that front. Let's pull up Dixon Tech, where that is managing to close on to, because we did have a downgrade that came in for Dixon Tech from Jefferies, and Dixon Tech was in the red all through the day. That's one we're watching out for, closing in the red as well, down almost 2.7%. Havells, that's the one where we saw an upgrade from Goldman Sachs, so that was a bit on the positive side. Havells as of now also holding on to 3% gains on that front. A lot of block deals, so whether you look at Devyani International, CMS Infosystem, all of them were in focus today on the back of that. From the cement pack, we did have JK Cements, which is holding on to some bit of a gain as well. So yes, that's how the market setup looked like. A lot of brokerage notes keeping the stock abuzz, but markets managing to close on to the 22,200 levels. Nothing exciting in the mid and small cap space as well. An advanced decline ratio today in the favor of decline. That's the wrap for today's edition of Closing Trades.